Light spices, tender chicken, and the silky richness of coconut milk. Carrots, beans, and potatoes slowly soaking in every layer of flavor. Each ingredient is gently simmered, blending into a delicate aromatic broth that feels very light yet deeply satisfying. Subtle spices, creamy coconut, and wholesome vegetables coming together in perfect balance. Slow cooked to bring out warmth, softness, and natural sweetness in every bite. Inspired by the home style kitchens of Kerala, this chicken stew is warm, nourishing, and beautifully comforting. A timeless dish made from tradition, simplicity, and care. A bowl that feels gentle, soothing, and full of coastal flavors. Pair it with soft appam, idiyappam, warm bread, or simple steamed rice for perfect comforting plate. Enjoy!